Alright, let me get you in here. Got it. No. Bring it. No. Bring it clear back there, these reeds.
I like what I've seen over there.
No. Right there.
Gotta watch him.
I gotta watch him. You gotta watch him. Ever since he lost that drone, he ain't been right.
Hey, you gotta get your camera going. Watch your head.
What? Oh, jeez. Well, tell me when you get a bite.
Way to go, Ike. Man, you're pulling them in all of a sudden. You got a hold
You got it? Ready?
Yeah. What do you need, Ruben?
I'm surprised the environmentalists don't raise Cain about all the sugar cane being burned.
I don't know how they get away with that. I swear I don't, because it kills my lungs and my eyes. But it comes down to this right here, money.
Yep.
They put a lot of money in down here, and they employ a lot of people. But there's sometimes down here they burn so much you can't hardly breathe.
I came down one time, flew out of Miami, and there were brush fires or something in Florida. I mean, 95, it was like you could see it burn along the roads.
Is that right?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Are they thumping that when you're catching those, or are they just on there?
They're just on it.
Yeah.
They go to move again, it's like, oh, there's weight.
Yeah. You don't even know they're there.
No. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
Let me see what kind of jig you got on there real quick. I'll see what he's catching them on there. If you're gonna start jigging again. No, you're Ruben.
Oh yeah.
Let
Jake,
me-
you got that out?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Let me see your jig. What you got on?
Me or him?
Him,
Ruben.
Ruben.
Yep.
Let me see what. You got to have that blue on there. Yeah, you're good. Just make sure you're going down clear to the bottom. You might have to put a little line out on that.
I just got all tangled up. Oh, crap.
What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
Easy, Jake.
What you got? Easy. What you got? What you got? What you got?
Come on, big fella.
Guys, the catfish are good eating in here.
Are they?
Yes, sir. Yeah, they're just as good as anything else. Yes, you are. Don't say you're not.
Way to go, Jake.
Fish
There's
on.
one out on the other side, though.
Fish on. Fish on.
A little bit more fight to it, didn't it?
I like getting these big ones. I'm catching big ones all day.
Ready? Let me see where you're. Give me some slack. See where you're. All right, you're good.
Good?
Yep, you're good.
Didn't break anything, did I?
Nope, you're good. Good to go.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Keep them lights on.
So when you drive up to Wheeling, which way do you go from? What's the best way to go up to?
Oh, he went right straight up along the river, Route 2, and the road's not that good though.
That's a long haul too, isn't
Yeah, that's a long haul.
it? We have 17 hours, about 15 to 17 hours. So you probably 20 something going out there.
Yeah, it's about the same. Where you guys live out in Pennsylvania?
Lancaster. That's west of Philly. about an hour.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Amish
You're up
people?
here in Amish country.
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah. Them guys used to go up here to that car thing they'd have.
Yep,
Yeah.
car show. They just had that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
How far is that from
15
Gettysburg?
minutes from home.
Hour?
About that,
Oh,
yeah.
We're in a lot of history right in that area there.
Oh, man. Gettysburg. You ever go there?
Yep.
Oh, my.
Love it. Love
That's sad, boy.
it. Sad, but I just love the history of it. I mean, what a waste. What a waste. Of course, all wars are a waste as far as I'm concerned.
Look at them goose, Reuben. You ain't goose. Or 740 freaking 7, man.
Okay, now, hey, I got you a thingamajigger on.
I know, I figure that's what happened once you turn it on. Once you turn it off, I start catching fish again.
Them are nice fish, though.
So that catfish came up to get the
These catfish are down here about like these sport fish. They're about a foot off bottom too. A lot of them aren't bottom feeders.
These
They just
bobbers, they go up.
Yeah, but the catfish I always thought were down
And-
low.
Yeah, they're usually on
these-
bottom.
These are low.
Yeah.
These are almost all on bottom. You follow? And when you pull them up, the bobber goes down to his little knot,
yeah,
and it looks like it's only going down about a foot. Well, it's going down the full 5 foot.
yeah. There's a little. They call them bobbin stroppers. They just come out with them not too long ago. The Chinese or the Japanese or the Oriental somebody, and it's really a nice thing, really. I mean, because you can just slide that thing up and down, you know. And they're smart people. I will say that when it comes to stuff like that, you know. They invent stuff that
Yeah.
I think a lot of this stuff right here,
Oh yeah, for sure.
you know, and the drones.
You edited this out?
Yeah.
You ever see some of those swim baits they make?
Oh no.
They're so lifelike.
Oh, they look good. What you got on there? Bring him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. What do you got? What do you got? Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. That good? Ready?
Wow. Look at that.
What is it?
No, it's just a keeper.
I like it ones where you don't have to measure.
Yeah.
What's that, 72 we've got so far?
I think we're about 72.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a guy that guy Clegg is. What a guy. Ready?
Yep. Thank you, sir.
I think that fish was on there for a little while because I've seen that bob go down a couple times.
Yeah, I think it might have been.
Yeah, he just wasn't really taking it.
You didn't know if he was hooked or not, huh?
I think he was hooked, but we didn't know he was hooked because the bobbin wasn't going clear under.
What's that West Country music station from Wheeling?
WWVA.
Yeah. I used to
I listen to that at nighttime all the time. And Jamboree in the Hills they had over there for a long time. They don't do it anymore. And at Capitol Music Hall, where they had all the big name country music, 1960s, 50s, 60s, 70s. It was a pretty big deal one time.
I wasn't allowed to have radio growing up. I grew up conservative Mennonite, but
Yeah,
had a little transistor radio. I could get Wheeling, West Virginia.
one of them little battery ones.
I could get it and put aluminum foil. Somehow it rigged up aluminum foil, hung out the window with a wire coming off of it to get a little better reception.
That's what I had. I had one of them ones. I still got one. I mean, you can still buy them. Took a tube. They took a battery in there, and you got in there, and you had to
Yeah.
you had to move that thing around.
I lay there at night. My folks didn't know I had it.
Yeah.
Put it under my pillow and I lay there listening.
Tune in stuff.
Yeah, out of Richmond, Virginia, we get WWVA out of
Yeah.
Richmond. Listen to country.
Things were a little more simpler back then. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's pretty crazy now. You know. What do you think about what's going on over in Israel?
I'll tell you what,
I seen it coming. I mean, it's been on a slow boil for a long time.
it's been happening since Jacob and Esau or something.
Yeah.
You done.
Well, it happened originally. It was who was it?
Took off.
Sarah told go ahead and have a child. She couldn't have a child back in the Old Testament. In the and that's they say that's where them all create. I mean, it's been going on for since then.
Yeah, you're right. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Shoot.
Then she got jealous when she wouldn't wait to, hey, you're gonna have one, just be cool, just stay cool with it a little bit, you know, you're gonna have a baby. Nah, I want one right now. So she got the
Couldn't be lay with my
lay with my servant. Yeah.
Ishmael. That's it.
Yeah,
Ishmael.
yeah.
Yeah, they've been fighting ever since. They'll probably continue till the last.
Come somebody, I hear my roar. One thing about it is not a creek.
Jake, I've got one.
What you got, buddy? What you got? What you got? What you got?
I got one look. Okay.
Oh, don't break that one off. That's a good one.
Pressure on it.
Did you lose him?
Nope, he's still right there.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Got the catfish spot.
Got the catfish.
See how clean those
Very
are?
nice
Okay,
catfish.
That's what I eat there.
Yes, sir, it is.
That big in the canal.
Not that big. I'm telling you, this probably just floats out in that little free space there in the center.
Don't go clear out there.
You could try it, ain't you?
Oh, goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Okay. All right. He didn't fool around either, did he? He just took it and went. Get them silver ones, though, would you?
Silver catfish.
No, silver crappie.
Oh,
You wait, you hook about a 5-pound bass here, though.
that'd be awesome.
It happens.
I'm loving that.
It happens.
I think it's over in that patch right there.
Isaac do that, he won't be going back to Pennsylvania for another week.
Ready?
No, he'll be up
No,
here.
he'll be here.
I'll take off and spend all next week trying to catch a 10-pound.
Yeah.